All right, we got it out here. We got it tried out. Everything works good, so that's good. This is the pontoon barge, and there's our winch system, and we have our boom. It's 22 feet, and we have a rope there, and this is our post driver right here. So this is something I made out of 3/8 thick angle iron. I took 4 pieces and welded it together and made a sleeve that goes on the post with a hole at the top with a clevis, and then that hooks to the cable to the winch, and then it goes up through the top and down to the winch down here, and that's what lifts this up. And you can put a bolt in here to grab a post, and we can let it out, grab the post, and drag it up to the boat, and then stand it up, and then set it down in the ground. And then what we do is we let off on the winch, and then you take the rope here, right here, and when you pull on the rope, it goes through another pulley up there, a snatch block, and then you lift up on the driver, and if you can see, you pull it up like that, and it will drive the post. And what I'm going to build tomorrow is we're going to make it completely automatic, where I'm going to have an electric motor and a gearbox right here in front of the winch, where it'll have a big pulley on it that the rope you can wrap around, and then it'll spin really slow because of the gearbox, and then you tighten up on the rope, it'll lift the driver, you let off on the rope, and it'll drop the driver. And I'm going to be building that tomorrow. But as for the boom and everything worked. We just pulled some bird houses out right here. You can see the bird houses, and we didn't pull these because there was eggs in both of those, and there's some ducks in them, so we left them alone. We got to get the rest of them over here tomorrow. We were just coming out here to try it today, but we also found a bat in one. We had a bat come out on us on one of them. But that's the pile driver. Just wanted to share that with you. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more videos coming up of the pile driver. We're going to show you tomorrow how we drive post, and I'll be doing some videos on that. And there's a time lapse on here of us pulling these posts. And if you like all this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notifications whenever I make a new video. Thank you for watching. Holy crap, I got wasp in the truck. Ah! Get out of here. Get out of here, wasp. Wasp in the truck. That wasn't cool. That wasn't cool at all. Yeah. Back up, go.
All right, now I'm gonna have to set this thing down for a second. Boom. I need 2 hands.
Stay tuned for a time lapse of building the whole thing, and some time lapse footage of us dragging the boat. It's all pretty cool. But if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I appreciate the support, and hit that like button. Thank you.